Probability example 36D. In 2017, 42% of all Americans held a valid passport. Suppose 5 people are chosen at random. What's the probability that at least 2 of them have a valid passport? So this is, you either have a passport or you don't. If I have a passport, it has nothing to do with whether or not the next person would have a passport. So it'll be independent. And so we're looking for it says at least 2. That would give us a minimum of 2, and they're talking about 5 people, so chosen at random, so our maximum would be 5. So if I looked at the direct method, I'm looking at the probability of 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, let's check out the not method and see if it's any better. So 1 minus, what's missing? Probability of 0, probability of 1. Well, the not method looks a little bit better, so let's go ahead and use that. So we have 1 minus. Okay, we have 5 people that we're choosing randomly, number of trials. So we're looking at 0 successes. They're saying 42% Americans had a valid passport, so the probability is 42/100. Put to the 0 power. All right, so what would be the probability that they don't have a passport? Well, that's 100% minus 42% gives us 58%, so I have 58/100. And we would have to have 5 here, so that this number plus this number would equal this number. Okay, then minus 5C1, because we're looking for the probability that 1 person had a valid passport. Then times the number of probability of successes to the number of successes times the probability of failures. This time we would have to have a 4. 1 plus the 4 gives us a 5. Put that in our calculator and we get 697 thousandths.